Okay, we're going back to one camera operation because mostly we're doing a sound check on the rear mic of the new GoPro mod. And I have the windscreen on the mic, and we'll just see what happens. First we gotta get down the ramp as usual. Not always easy, but it was today. Okay, we're checking engine noise, wind noise, everything from the rear mic. So, could be doing anything. Looks as though I forgot my gloves. Yeah, hold that thought. Well, yeah. Now my theory here is that this microphone is, since it's facing to the rear, may pick up more engine noise at the higher revs, maybe even at taking off. But the real trick is, can my voice be imposed on this at the same time? So we're going to do a little bit of everything here to try it out. We're just doing one camera today because that's all we need to know. We got the camera on the front, on my mirror mount, on the left side, and it seems to be just working fabulously. And it's only like 82 degrees out here. Feel like highway robbery is occurring here. Go to first gear, going down the road here. Hell, it might even get cold. Thursday, so the kids are still done at school. They get Fridays off, man. But I'd like to have gone to school with Fridays off. Okay. A little vibration showed up on the bike here in just a few seconds. And we'll need to start looking for that because it's kind of annoying. Probably somewhere up on the mirror mount or something like that. Something is rattling against something else. While I was listening to it, I thought, well, is that something about my engine? But the engine is, you can hear it pretty separately, and it doesn't have anything to do with it because the rattling comes and goes. I've had that before on my little fanny pack that I keep strapped around underneath my seat. Yeah, you know, for billfold cameras and stuff like that, or iPhone. But anyway, sometimes it's plastic clips rattle against the bike, and so I'm going to look for that. But you'll hear it coming up. Nothing wrong with my bike. Something's rattling. Occasionally. You'll hear it throughout the thingamajig. But I thought I'd come in and see. This is future me in the middle of a video that happened earlier this day. And besides, I kind of like the idea of trying to make one of these and see if I can insert. Let's just try it out and see. Har, har, har. By Friday, I was really tired of school, you know. That's a fact, Jack. Oh yeah, this is nice. Gee, I wish we'd just stay at 82 all the damn time. Oh, just a little bit of sprinkles. Oh my God. Warlock, which is the name of my bike, by the way. Warlock might melt like a witch. Yeah. Warlock might melt getting wet. I try never to let this thing go in the rain, not because I'm worried about the bike so much as me. I remember riding in the rain. It was not pleasant. I could cut down on its engine noise around town by going ahead and going to fourth gear. That would cut down on it considerably. Oh my, yeah, kind of heavy clouds. If you can see any of that. Yeah. Camera seems to be angled down a bit. And I tightened the crap out of it. You know, this time I get to watch the angle. That last video, that was terrible. And this one is just real touchy about that sort of thing. Wow. Oh my God, I'm getting wet. What the fuck, over? Now, how do I go do a bunch of tests when I'm getting wet? Shit. I might should have checked the radar before I left the house. Damn old. Where was I gonna go? Now I've forgotten about that. I hear sirens. Don't want to argue with those guys. That's for sure. This is what the radar looked like when I was out there doing all that crap. So that stuff needs to go away. That's back. Raining out here, so I'm headed for the house. Screw this. I've actually got sprinkles on my little helmet. Oh my God. Got sprinkles on my little helmet. But of all the things I want to deal with, if I have to get rain to get to 82 degrees, screw the rain, I'll take the 90 degrees. Okay, well, kind of give us a little clue about it. We didn't get up to big speed, but mostly I want to know about the engine noise and whether it picks me up or not. On the smaller rear mic, it's still a lot larger than any mic I've been using. Condenser mics, or whatever they call those. So, I think it will probably do quite nicely. I think I may just pull in the garage, keep the bike from getting the seat wet and shit like that. So much easier to go in the garage, you know. Funny, funny, funny. It's funny because now, with the larger box on there that surrounds the GoPro, to put the microphone on there, when I moved it over to this mount, the mirror mount, the box, the GoPro now is bigger and somewhat affects the tilt of the goddamn thing, you know. He got that thing out of there, didn't he? He can get a lawnmower out, I can get a motorcycle in, right? I'll make more room when I come out. Neutral, kickstand, off. Yeah, man, you got a picture of my old ugly garage that works very well, actually, and is very dry. With all my international viewers, and consists of about 4 people. That's why I can say anything on here I want to. Then doesn't matter who sees how neat my garage is, but it holds the riding lawnmower, the little lawnmower, and the gas cans, and I can throw a bike in there occasionally. I can put the car in here with just shuffling this crap around a little bit, but don't do that. Okay, that gives us a conversation mode, and now I need to pull that camera off of there and take it inside. Yep, problems, problems, problems. All right, you turned off the bike, and best way to take that camera off there is probably with a screwdriver. You can try to grab the little grips, but my gripper ain't what it used to be. And we'll turn that off for now. Okay, so the end result of all of that was that the rear camera works or the rear microphone works really good. Pretty clear, little rattle we haven't found yet, but everything works real well. Engine noise and everything. When I turned off Main Street on the right at the end where I said I was going back to the house because it's raining, you'll notice that I went on up to speed going up that hill, so that would have told me anything I needed to know about wind noise or engine noise at higher speeds, but it picked up my voice every time and at the same level. Pretty easy to work with, so I'm thrilled. This is working really well. Leave me a comment, like and subscribe and notify and all that stuff. Send me a tank of gas or money or something, but this is really good stuff. This $80 mod that I added to the GoPro, which I saw on Itchy Boots' videos. This looks like what she has around her GoPro on her face mask. Looks exactly the same, and it's $80. It's high, but everything GoPro is high. But if you get all these problems worked out where I don't have to spend forever editing video to put out a video, then glory be. Here, in case you're interested, I'm just using my MacBook Air with its camera and its microphone. Got an air conditioner in the background, might be picking that up, I don't know. But that's how I'm doing this video. And it's just real cute, and I think I'm going to use it more often. It's not that I'm so damn pretty, but I could be. But I'm not going to dress up for you people and try to make me something that I'm not. I'm just a little hermit that lives in my little house with my millennials in the basement and a good dog. Not too bad, a cat, if you ever see him. But anyway, that's enough for this. And you all have a nice day. Like and subscribe and comment. I never get any comments. Say something bad to me. Ooh, I can live with that. Yeah, I could have an argument with somebody in Australia or something, Y'all have a nice day.